I mean
You'll,
hard, moderate.
you'll get the same level in mock. Try to give the mock.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, Vishwajit.
sir, in activity question 7.7, in a question I have found a mistake. So
What was the mistake?
can you just go through that question?
Not today, man. This is solved with us.
Okay.
Even I'm not able to share anything. That is why I'm talking.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Now I am the co-host. So we should start the session. Okay, so whatever the question, whatever doubt you have, please, which forum do you use? Discourse or discussion forum? Google Groups?
Sir, discussion forum.
Discourse. Anywhere, you just post there now. We'll see,
Yes.
we'll take care of that. If
Yes,
it is
I have
right, wrong,
I have
we'll
already
tell you.
posted a question, sir, and you also replied. And right now I found another one.
Okay. So there you post. I actually do in the morning. Mostly I wake up and do first thing is that watching the messages, mails. So
Okay.
most of the things is gets cleared only there. Okay, so we'll start with the our presentation. Before that, I would like to tell one thing that I am going to ask very small questions in this, but trickier questions. Okay. So what we will do, we will try to solve together. Whenever a problem comes, we'll solve together. Okay. So in that problem, related to problem, anyone has query, please ask until unless it is cleared. Okay. So we'll go through one by one. Once slides are done, if we have time, then we can come to the open questions. Anyone? Okay. So I'm sharing the code for join PD right now. It's OZTZOW. OZTZOW in the chat. Please see. Okay, I'm present. I should present. Can you see that? Okay, so I hope everyone has joined the join PD, right?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone else here who is not able to join? Okay, so I'll directly go to the slides. Okay, so this is my problem number 0, and I'm giving you 5 minutes to solve this question. Okay, so is everyone able to see the choosing button for question?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
Okay.
Default condition.
Is anyone saying something?
Sir, what made it present?
We'll talk about that if you don't get it. Otherwise, is there any uh, error or something you are guys are facing?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Is it fine now?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm
No,
asking
sir.
you question. So then there is a problem with your side. Question is fine, right? Question is okay, right? There is no problem in the question understanding, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 more minutes will solve the question.
तो पहला होगा अभी तो पहला हो जाएगा
I'm getting very slow response for this question. I am expecting more.
No was.
Okay, so let's see the responses. Is anyone still doing? Want me to stop, or should I discuss the solution?
Please discuss solutions, sir. Actually, I have doubt in dictionary.
Okay, you have doubt. Is that fine? Is anyone there who is solving?
I just joined from maths class.
So you want to solve this question?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. 1 more minute I'm giving. After that, we'll discuss the question.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Done, sir. We can discuss.
Okay. So okay, so let's see the responses first. Okay. So I can see 27 out of 35 responses, not 37 out of 37 responses saying that C is false, and 10 are saying C is true. Whoever has chosen B option, may I know anyone would like to discuss with that? Any volunteer? Who has chosen option B? Oh, why is it decreasing? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So no one wants to discuss this question, right? I again will say there is no, you should not do any hesitation if you are not able to solve this question. No one going to mock you, no one will laugh. It's place of learning. So please ask if you are not able to do.
Sir, will you please explain the question once?
Okay, your name please.
I'm Lakshmi.
Okay, Lakshmi. So what answer did you give? True or false?
I'm not getting the clarity in the code, sir.
Okay. So is this visible? My slides.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is that? This one. D is what?
Dictionary.
Let him talk. Oh, Lakshmi, D is what?
Dictionary.
And how many keys it have?
3.
3. Okay. And C is a boolean. Is that fine?
Yes.
So I'm defining a procedure which is an alphabet. How many parameters is it asking?
2 parameters. No,
How?
3. 3.
3. What X is? What X is?
Word.
X is a word. Are you sure?
Row.
No.
Serial.
Did you read the question?
Row.
Let X row. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's a
row.
row, right?
Ra,
Any
row.
row I can pick. That is X. What
Yes,
is
yes.
A?
A is
What
E.
E? What E is? It's a character, right?
Yeah, it's a character.
It's character. Okay. What is D? Dictionary. That is fine.
Right.
Okay. Now here come at I equal to 1. Do you know the purpose of initializing I equal to 1?
Yeah, it keeps move on letter by letter.
Letter by letter. So what is B?
So, I mean, if I is 1, that B will be the first letter of the word.
No. Currently, that this place
Current-
initialization
Oh,
is being
initially.
happened, right?
Initially.
Is that clear? I'm talking about here.
Yeah. Initially.
What is B?
It's empty. Means
What is that empty? Empty list, empty dictionary, or what is that?
Empty character.
Empty character, it's an assignment.
it's empty character. Means
It's space.
Okay, so it's just a character which has nothing, right? But data
Okay.
type of B is character. Okay, we have defined the data type of the B. So what
Okay.
it gives us the yes.
Sir, but how a character data type have not any alphanumeric character?
Sir,
How are you saying that it is a character data type?
Because I
within
have
a
taken single inverted comma.
No, sir, we
okay,
can
but-
put none also.
But some value, sir, but
You-
None
you
is a
can-
string
value
data
should be
type.
there.
Yes, you
None
cannot put.
None is a string data type.
Yes, sir. You have to put only one character there because it's defined now.
Yes, sir. I think it should be inside a string.
Why do
We
you
can
think
take.
string?
We can also consider it as a space because space is also in a string data type.
Yeah, space is also an string data type. But why are you saying that I should take that? What is wrong with this?
Sir, I think in a character data type, some character values should be there. Like
No.
uh,
Did you ask that why a list is an empty?
no, sir. I mean, I'm confused. Actually, what I have studied till now, I think some character value should be there, like alphanumeric, any single value.
No. The initialization of the variable only tells what the data type it is going to be. If we are going to use that value, then also it is another thing. Like here, we are going to use A in future. So that's why it is E, right?
Okay.
So
Now, any other way to initialize a single character?
you can write anything now if you are not going to use this. If you are going to replace this, right? You write T as a temporary character. That is also clear. There is
But
no problem with
T,
that.
T is itself is character, so it is not null value, na.
So you that doesn't mean na, like if you define max equal to 0, it doesn't mean max is 0. Whatever the value comes after execution, right? So after execution, you are going to change here. In at line 6, you are actually changing the value. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the what I can say, the existence of B as a T will lost at the line 6. So that was just to give you one flavor of that what B is going to be. Okay.
But
Okay,
sir,
we-
one more question, sir. In the as defined B, we can also be like only one, like 8 or 9 or something like that.
You can write like this also. No
Yes, yes, that's what I'm saying.
So single
So, but
inverted
we-
comma also correct, and any character within this inverted comma also correct. Both ways
Yeah,
correct.
character.
Yes.
But 9 is actually we haven't defined anything, so you can call them as a string also. So that depends on which you have initialized. You have used them. You have used double inverted comma or single inverted comma. Okay. So
Now,
that
double
will
invert-
define.
Double inverted comma, we can put none also. If you want
You
to
can put
initialize.
none also, and that can be taken as a character also. That's not a problem. But the problem is that you have taken A as E. If you are going to compare, then it will throw an error. Okay.
Okay.
If somewhere you are going to compare, then it will throw an error. So you need to take care of that also. So whenever you are comparing, data type of the two variables should be same, correct?
Yes.
Okay, Lakshmi. So I hope this till here you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is happening now? This block you understood that it is going to be letter by letter. Something is going to happen, but this is totally clear that something is going to happen letter by letter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So B is the ith letter of the X word. Okay.
Yes.
So means it's a letter by letter. So one word one letter is B, right? Any letter at that
Yes.
point. If is key DB, what does it do?
It is actually function.
It checks
It checks whether B character
B
B
is the key of
B is the
D,
key.
right?
Key is in D.
D. If this is if so, then it will return true, right? Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
false. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Now, if not, else block means if not, then it will be initialized to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you get a feeling what is going to happen? I am checking a B, which is a letter. I am checking if it is inside the dictionary, then I am incrementing the value, right?
Yes, by
So
one.
if it is 1, if it is 1, then it will become 2. If not, then it is
One.
going to
It will be
initialized
initialized to one.
That's happening, man. I understood that dictionary is going to store the character and it will be mapped to the number of time it is presented, right?
Yes.
So my D already was there. This okay.
Mm.
So what was the word? X dot word. What was the X dot word? Sorry, Y dot word.
Student.
It is X dot word or Y dot word?
The X dot word.
Okay. So X dot word. What was that?
Student.
Was now this is a string. That's why I have taken
Yes, sir.
double inverted comma. Okay. Now if I take S now, first letter is S, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to take this as a one more time. So to make it clear. So at this point, procedure is, suppose I have called the procedure. What was D at this point?
Same.
Can you tell me D? These are not an empty dictionary. That is the point
Yeah.
here.
Yes. He.
Okay.
Yeah.
D is this. Okay.
Mm.
Now I equal to 1. I'm going to take. I am going to remove these lines for explanation. Okay. What is that? What is B?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is S inside the dictionary?
Yes.
So what will it happen? B will become.
1.
So dictionary will be updated with Sona.
Yes.
At this point, I'll increment the value of S, correct?
Hmm.
I'll not go inside this block. I is incremented and then come here, right?
Hmm.
Because I is less than or equal to X dot letter count, okay?
Yes.
Second was it T. Okay. I'll come here and this will not be executed, correct?
Yes.
Okay, it was not in that. So we have missed one process. Okay, so this means this block will not be executed. And now this block will be executed, correct? Because T is not already there.
Yes. Else block.
And this will make change in D, which will become. So T is not there. I'm going to initialize it T1, correct?
Correct.
Which means whenever I'm seeing the first time, it is 1. Whenever I'm seeing the second time, I'm making it 2. Whenever I'm seeing third time, I'm making it 3, correct?
3. Correct.
So actually dictionary D is taking a word and appending into the adding it into the dictionary. If it is already there, then it is incrementing. If not there, then it is assigning 1. Okay,
Yes.
that's all is happening. So it is letter count, correct?
Yes, sir.
For simply, if for you it will become
1.
again, U is not already there, so 1.
1.
Student
D. D1. E becomes 2.
Now E becomes 2.
E becomes 2.
Okay, D becomes 1, right?
D1.
N becomes
T.
1.
Yeah. T becomes 2.
N becomes 1. And T becomes 2. And S becomes 3, right?
Right.
It is student or students, anything.
Student. It's student.
It's students, okay?
Students are. Okay. Sorry, sir.
Okay, 3, okay? Now, so this loop is done. I'm done with this loop, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll come here. If DA, what is A? A is E, na?
A is E.
So DA is greater than 2. Is that greater than 2? A value is E, correct?
Is 2.
Now, if you have taken this word as a whatever you are saying, if you take this initialization as a string now, so this all characters will be strings, okay? And even it will not increment because everything was in the single character. So this S is different from this, okay?
Yes.
Because the first S is the string and second S is a character, okay?
Okay.
So, okay. come to this point. Okay, now you understand that actually I'm checking if a character is presented more than 2 times, correct?
Yes, sir. I understood now.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I hope everyone is clear. Is there anyone who are not able to understand, who is not able to understand? You're not audible, please. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Am I only getting that break voice or anyone else?
Sir, your
Breaking
voice
voice.
is breaking a little bit. Now your signal is getting fine, like it's showing there.
Okay. Please come again. Sairam, we cannot hear you, right?
Yes, he cannot hear. Yes.
Sir, can you explain dictionary concept a little more?
That was a dictionary concept, right?
I understand, but it's more creative. I want.
So for that purpose, you should come on demand sessions, correct?
Okay.
Yesterday was on Saturday there was an on demand session. Did you join?
No, I couldn't join.
Sir,
What
can you
is not
conduct
you are getting in dictionary? Yes, Biswajit.
can you conduct one more on-demand session like tomorrow?
Tomorrow there will be an on demand session.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, when time?
Time will be announced in the Telegram group.
Sir, can you please try to conduct in evening because the previous time. Okay.
Tomorrow evening is jam packed. Stats and maths all with the session is there. 6 to 10.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Jos Kumar.
I have a query about the graded assignment. I got stuck with one point. I think I'm getting for that English meaning for that.
Which graded assignment?
Graded assignment 7.
So we cannot discuss that right now.
But I'm not asking you to answer. Just maybe you can give some general meaning.
That is also a hint, right? How can I discuss? If someone says that it is, I was also not getting, but I could not attend the session, then that is why I am not getting that
I
answer.
mean dilemma. What it's this is either or this.
Feel, do whatever you feel. Okay. I can't take any question on that.
Actually, in on-demand session, sir explained it very well, like everything.
Yeah, maybe you can explain
Graded
with another explanation.
assignment.
Okay,
We'll come
no
that
issue.
later then.
No worries.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whether this session is recorded because there is no streaming on YouTube so far.
It is streaming.
No, it's not coming there. Right
No,
now.
sir,
but,
it's not streaming.
Why?
I have checked by the link and it is not
It
streaming
is
on
showing
YouTube.
waiting only, sir. Waiting only,
Yes,
not
sir.
streaming.
You can check also.
Give me a second, please.
It's a streaming on live stream, YouTube.
Is it streaming?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
Now
it
is
is
it
Yes,
streaming?
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it's
Yeah, now it is streaming. Yeah, thank you.
Not now, it was streaming from the whole time.
Okay, so whatever the question you are asking, we can discuss in the if we are left with the time. Okay, I cannot take those questions because I am not able to. Okay.
At least Telegram information I should get so that I can get on-demand session.
You
attended.
don't have a Telegram channel.
Telegram
You are not
channel,
subscribed to.
I subscribed to statistics, but I couldn't get connected to this your city. I don't know what is the reason. I don't know.
Okay, so what is happening in that there is a problem.
Can I get information in dashboard at least so that I can try to get
We
connected?
cannot give that too much notifications.
Oh.
Everyone is not everyone does not want to join live sessions. Okay, so giving those information to them also is not a good idea. Okay, so do one thing. If you have a friend, ask him to send the link to your Telegram, and then you click on that. That would absolutely work. Okay, so the YouTube link in the calendar given is different. Okay, is that what you are saying?
Yes, sir, that is different. That's why it is showing the waiting. But the link we got from the Zoom meeting, that is working. But the link given in the
Zoom
calendar is not.
Where can I see? Where can I get that link in the Zoom?
I just messaged.
Top left, sir. It is showing live custom live streaming service. You can copy the link from there.
I got it.
Yeah, this is the link given on the.
Yes, sir. This link is working, but the calendar link is not showing. Right
Yeah,
now.
calendar link is showing waiting.
Okay, give me a second. I will just message them so that they can correct. Okay, so should we go to the next question?
Yes,
We already
Sure,
have
sir.
spent 44 minutes.
Yes,
with
sir.
one
Yes,
question
sir.
only. Okay. This is the problem number 1. We have 3 to 4 minutes for this question. This question is little bit different what you have seen till now. So be little bit careful with this question.
Where is this joint PD dot?
Is any problem with audio? We are not able to listen.
I'm not speaking.
Where is joint PD link?
Hello.
Joint PD link.
Yes, I got.
Hello.
Sir,
Screen is not visible, sir.
yes, sir. Your screen is not visible. Can you please share? Okay.
Visual now?
Yes, sir. It is showing.
Yes, sir.
Sir, his first one was true or false?
Hello.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
His first one was true or false?
Which first one? Acha, okay, first problem.
First question. Okay.
Yeah, it was false.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, so we have responses, and I can see B and C is the highest number. And oh, no, B and C is not highest. D is the highest. After that, C. Okay. So he's going to talk about this question. Who is not able to understand? Okay. So anyone has chosen option A. Who is that? May I know? Hello.
Sir, I have chosen option D, but still I have a
Okay.
doubt.
Okay. You still have doubt.
Yeah, second line of that answer. In the D answer, there is a second line. That one I didn't understand.
So why did you choose then?
Because the if not no, that is the one giving me hint that it is correct. But the second line I have.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Cool. So okay, so we'll talk with you only. First medal is initialized to empty dictionary, which is fine, right?
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
has problem with that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So what is your name? I forgot to ask. Hello. Who has whom with whom I was discussing?
Radhakrishna.
Yeah, Radhakrishnan. So tell me what I want to do in this question. First, you tell me.
Sir, I mean, you were asking from the sequence, from the first line. I mean,
No, I'm asking from the question. What is the purpose?
okay. So I have to make the key which is having the name.
No,
And
it's procedure, man. What is the purpose? What is the goal of the question? What I want to store.
Mistake we have to find
Error
out.
is also then. What is the goal? That is first medal. What is first medal? So the goal of the question is that first medal should store a dictionary with the player name, which should be mapped to the first medal. That is what we have to do.
Yes.
Now there are many ways to do that, but we are using the dictionary concept. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is that in your mind it is coming? How can we use that as a dictionary concept? You tell me.
My doubt, my point is the line 5.
Don't talk about the procedure. I'm not talking about the pseudocode. I'm asking you what is coming in your mind. If I ask you to create a procedure or a pseudocode, which will use a dictionary concept and store a first medal as a dictionary with player name as key and map to the first medal. What comes in your mind? Suppose this code is not given to you. You are supposed to create a code.
Okay, I have to create the first dictionary key first, empty one, and then I have to go through the list of the names by each row, the given table, and choose one by one. And the first medal, we have to read the medal and the name, and assign it to that, and check one by one verification.
Again, you are not telling me the main thing. Main thing is what? Dictionary. Why we are using dictionary?
But for the comparison.
So the thing is that in dictionary there is a word key, right?
Yes.
And if once it is stored, then we can access it very soon, right?
Yes. Randomly we can access this.
So we can access it, right? So that is fine. How will you map it to the first medal?
Okay.
You understand what is the purpose of this? Again, I'm explaining you. You are not. That is what I say.
Okay.
use the pen and paper for this dictionary concept. It's very easy when
Okay.
you use the pen and paper. So I want to create a dictionary which is suppose medal dick. Medal. What was that? Medalist or medal dick? It was first medal of it.
First medal.
So I want to create a dictionary which will look like that. Okay. Correct. This kind of thing, huh?
Okay.
This is what we have to create. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so suppose you have won 3 medals. Okay,
Okay.
I am representing you as a Radha K only. Okay, is that fine? Okay. So suppose you have won 3 medals: gold, bronze, and silver. Okay, sorry, bronze. Take it bronze. Okay, so you have won 3 medals. First time you won gold, second you won bronze, and then bronze. Which one you want to say store?
I want to choose gold. Yeah.
Gold.
Gold, because gold is the first one, right?
Yes.
What will you do? You are saying me to create a first medal as an empty dictionary, correct?
Yes.
I created a medal of first medal as an empty dictionary. Now what will I do? I'll go one by one, and if I will go one by one, what will I do? Tell me. So I pick a card, and that is Radha K. What should I
Okay.
do?
You have to check whether it is first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again, please.
Now we have to check whether it is having that first gold.
Again, you are confused. Think about it.
Okay. First, I have to find whether it is found. I mean,
If it is a key of
It is
dictionary,
a
right?
key in the dictionary or not?
yes.
Why would you like to check that? Because dictionary
if it
never
is
tells that you should check. That is
Okay.
our purpose to check. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me, because you are not going to initialize that empty. I guess if you have to
Okay.
initialize it empty, then there is another case.
Okay. Okay.
Think about it now. Suppose I got Radha K. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll store Radha K to gold. Correct.
Yes, sir.
I'll store Radha K as a gold. Okay.
Okay.
Now I picked a second card and found Rahul's card. Okay, and that is mapped to silver.
Okay.
This is fine. Huh? Again, I pick a card which has Radha K and the bronze medal is given. Now, what will you check? So you are saying that if it is, you will check it is a dictionary is a key or not. If it is
Yes.
a key, then what will you do?
Whether it is then we have to see again gold. There are.
Why you will check gold? So the thing is, Radha, here you are not getting that point. Once gold is stored, you don't want to do any
update.
once
Any
gold
further
is stored,
any further checking?
further checking is
you
not
don't
needed.
want
Correct.
to get it updated. Okay.
Okay.
You
Okay.
don't
Okay.
want to get it updated.
Okay. 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 So got it, sir.
Understand?
Understood. Understood. So repeatability we don't want to do. Okay. Okay.
Ha.
Repetition
So
we
you
want.
don't want to update it. So you want to check if it is not there, then I will add. Otherwise, I
Okay.
will not do anything. Correct?
Okay. Okay. Correct, sir. Correct. Got it. Thank you.
So that is why this is not word coming, correct? Now this is middle is just the what you are storing now. X dot middle is X dot middle. That's all.
Okay.
So you are, this is the storation part. Why am I using not?
Yeah, I'm just
Because I don't want
ensuring.
to.
Yeah, we are
Yeah.
ensuring that it is.
It is the first middle, correct?
Okay. Thank you,
Am
sir.
I clear to everyone?
Yeah, clear,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the correct option is option D.
Option D. One more thing I would like to discuss here. Yeah, option D. One thing I wanted to highlight, this option could also be correct. Could, I'm not saying it is correct, but what is happening? This is actually storing the list of the medals, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
It is adding it to the list. That's why it is becoming a list of medals.
The list of medals. So I can find out it.
Else option should have been there.
No, there is no requirement of else.
Sir, I think.
So
we can
why
just,
else option is not required, sir? Because it's saying only if the key is there, then add. At this rate, none of them will have a key and it'll be an empty thing. No, sir.
That is the reason. That is reason option C is not correct.
So, acha, okay, got
Option
it.
C could
So
have
that's
been
why
correct.
that's why option C would have been correct if there was an else statement.
Yes, if there was an initialization, not else statement. If there was an
Okay.
initialization,
Like,
so it
X
could be
name
coming
is
from
equal to empty list. Anta, you have to
Yes.
initialize it.
So that for that purpose we need else block. But what is the motto? Our motto is to initialize, right? When it is not there, then we need to initialize with an empty list. If you if there was an else block, then option C would have been also correct. Correct? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that's why I got confused. Sir. I chose C and D.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but here it's already told that the data is in ascending order, right?
Yes, data is an ascending order.
So that itself shows that, I mean, that 4 to 6. I mean, this key is not required, right? You just need to check if it's not a key and just keep putting the medals.
So that is given in option D, na?
Yeah, so we need not go for option C at all, right?
Okay, no, you didn't understand the problem. There is a way of doing something. Okay, so suppose if you want to do, if you want to create a house, okay, you want to build a house, okay, and what your purpose is that I need 2 bedrooms, okay. So your purpose is I need 2 bedrooms and 1 master room. So you went to engineer A, he has given a layout and you are satisfied with that, okay. Engineer B has created a layout and that is also giving you the 2 bedrooms and 1 master room. So your requirement is being fulfilled, okay. The way they are creating that is different. So the code could have been long, that I also agree, but it is not incorrect, correct? That why, are you getting my point?
But here even the assignment is a little different, right? Like it is creating a list, right?
Yeah, we are creating a list, but what is the final answer? So I could have come one more question and say that I'll create a list and I'll take the first element of this out, and that is the first element. That is being happening with INC. Only the missing part is that we are not doing any initialization. That is why it will never work.
The list is not initialized.
Yeah, that is a long method, but yeah, still it is a method. Okay.
But I still feel that this statement assumes that the rows are arranged in ascending order. Of here has some, reason for being given, right? I mean, I don't have to iterate to every key, right? Just the first time I see the key, I just put in the medal. That's all.
That is very clear.
Sir,
Yes.
can I answer to her question?
Yeah, you can.
Actually, option D states that the 4 to 6 lines are being replaced by this statement. So this is key is actually replaced by if not is key. So of course she's right, sir. We are not at all using this 4 to 6 statements.
But if I remove option D and if I give that question in as we are giving in earlier version, only one line, you remember? Line 1, line 6, line 7.
Yes, sir.
Then it could have been like I need a else statement, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, sir.
So that's what I'm saying. There are many ways. What is correct and what is the way? Those are different. Someone writes a code in a very precise manner. Okay. And someone initialize many times the variable so that he can understand the procedure properly. Okay. So that's a different thing. In that case, initialization is not there. That is why option C is wrong. We'll go to the next question. Okay. I hope everyone got the point here. I don't know. So I can.
So what's the right answer?
Option D.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Same thing again. Why what's the database and why is a role? Please solve this question. I'll give only 2 to 3 minutes for this question. Dhanesh Chandra, are you getting what is being discussed here now?
I'm getting, but I have conceptual doubt in dictionary. Sir,
Okay,
can you tell me plus anything that is in C language is equivalent to dictionary?
in C language, dictionary is also there, no?
No word you have used in C.
Oh, you know the C language, correct?
Very long back I have studied it, so I know something.
Whatever I know, there is a dictionary in C. Anyone here who has C background? I have also studied long back, but I think there is a dictionary concept in C also.
No, actually there is no dictionary concept, but only indexing.
Indexing is in list now.
Yeah, in list. That is called arrays.
Those are arrays, right?
Or pointer or something is there. Pointer is equivalent to dictionary.
C++ also is the same around C, correct? A little bit differentiation.
No, C++ like object.
Okay, I don't have any programming background, so I cannot answer those things. I know the logical thing.
Can you please mute everyone? There is some noise.
Sir, I think arrays is also kind of dictionary only, sir.
No, it is a list only, but there is used the memory location concept, that is indexing.
Is there anyone else who is solving this question? Or should I discuss?
Please discuss.
Anyone wants me to wait? Okay. So if I see the responses, then option B is highest. Okay. By the response, I can understand that most of you are getting why option B is correct. Who wants me to explain this question? I hope you are getting, then no need to explanation. Okay. What I want to tell, did you see a connection between problem 0 to problem 1 to problem 2? There was a procedure in option problem 1 where I was incrementing the count, right?
Yes, sir.
So if there was a key, then I was incrementing, not key, then I was assigning one. That was for counting purpose, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then I used in the problem number 1, same concept. I just used word not is key. And this was for first medal. It was just, it was also working as a filter, right? So I didn't want to update the value, then I used the word not key, correct?
Yes.
Now the same not is key I'm using here, and it is actually giving me the unique values. So again, the same concept I'm using, that if I once see, I'm not going to update, right?
Yes.
The same thing I did in the question number 1, problem 1. Once I stored, I'm not going to update. That gives me the first occurrence, correct? Same
Yes,
thing
sir.
happening here. If I am getting a letter alphabet, I'm not going to update that. That means that is also saying me the first occurrence, correct?
Yes, sir.
See, I could have taken a member concept also here. If a word, I could have gone through one by one towards the list and check if it is a member of the list or not, and create another list, correct?
Yes, sir.
Same thing is done into the dictionary concept, but in dictionary concept, it is too easy to understand. You don't need to go one by one. No, if you use the member function, that is also fine in list. And if you are using this dictionary concept, one concept is being used in the multiple way, correct? I'm not using any other concept. I'm using the key concept to create more problem, to solve more problem, correct?
Yes, sir.
One thing I wanted to point out here is, if I'm using not is key, then it is the first occurrence. If I don't use anything, it will be the last occurrence. Did you get what I did? What did I say right now? If I don't use the,
yes, sir.
Even if you don't need to use if is key, you can directly write. So in the last question, if you use only the line 5, okay, it will also work, because if it is already key, then it will update. If not, then it will assign. But this should not be list. That is the different problem. This line, first medal x dot name equal to x medal. You can replace line 4, 5, 6 with this only one line, and it will give me the last occurrence with last medal, correct?
Yes, sir.
Think in the exams, you can apply these methods very soon. You don't need to go one by one. By the guessing, you will be doing most of the work. Okay. So the not is key, actually giving the first occurrence. If I don't use these things, it will give last occurrence. Otherwise, if I use if else part, then it is definitely one of the cases where I am going actually count, or I'm incrementing the list. Sorry, I'm appending into the list. If and else both are coming. Okay. Okay, so these are the things which I wanted to point out. You do these many times, but you don't realize. Now problem
Sir,
number 3.
Sir, but if you use is key, if is key, then it should
Mhm.
always have an else part, right?
It should not have else part, but there is actually we are wasting using if is key. Means here, what I'm trying to say, here if is key is given, and if I write line number 5 as first medal x dot name is equal to x dot medal, then actually it will not give an error, correct? But I'm wasting line number 4 and 6. That is not adding anything.
Yeah.
So if you are using if, then using else is actually optimization.
Without using if, can we use else?
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You got my point?
Like when I have to add a new key, then if is key is used.
Okay, what I'm trying to say you, this was the line, okay. 1 minute.
Sir, can I just add on?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, like what Lakshmi Priya was just saying, that was my question previously.
What was the question?
That's why I felt those lines are like, I mean, that option itself was not right. I mean,
No,
not that option.
okay, right, accepted. So since this is not a possible option, because if at this rate, it will be an empty list, nothing would ever be added.
Correct. But if I write here else part, okay?
Unless you add an else.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It'll be empty.
that is what I am trying to say. This could come in inside the mind of people now. They can think that I can take the first element and it will be the first medal. Okay, so what my point here is, actually if you are not using else partner, then there is no meaning of this.
That's what I'm saying. Like it's key if you
Yeah.
use, then it has to be an else part, right?
You are
Whether it is counting or
Yes,
whether
yes.
you are adding, updating, whatever it is.
you are saying it as a compulsion. I am saying it is a better way. You are saying compulsion.
There has to be some way, not else part. There has to be some way where you add the new key, right? The first
Yeah,
time the
so-
key is found.
It's not about compulsion. It's about correct or incorrect. Okay. The final result is correct or not. It's not about the procedure. If you are using if, then else part will come. That is okay, understood. But if I not use else part, then there is no error. That's what I'm trying to say. You are not wrong. You are not incorrect.
But my
question
result
is-
will not be the desired result, right?
Yeah.
And I will not have what I want to have.
Again, please come.
No, I will not have what I want to have. Like here, first medal should have the first medal of the players, right? So if I don't have an else part, then the first time it is encountered, that key is not going to be there.
Correct.
The code may not be, I mean, code is error free, but your desired result is not got, is what I'm saying.
So again, that's what again you are saying to use else part. Even in this code also, I'm not using else part, correct?
No, that is a different thing. That's what I told. It is already told it is an ascending
But
order.
it is a if condition. Whatever the condition inside it is, if I agree with you, then I should get else everywhere,
No,
right?
no. I'm not saying for every if there has to be an else. I'm saying if it is with is key, the function is key is used, then
Okay,
there
so
has
you
to
are
be an
saying-
else part.
Again, don't say has to be, should be. It should be actually, not has to be. Has to be means I have to use else part. If I don't use, there is something wrong. But there is nothing wrong actually. I'm just wasting 2 lines. That's all. Okay. If it comes to the initialization with 0 empty list, then absolutely there will be else part.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
That is what you want to say.
Yeah. Because it's
But
not
again,
with counting or updating. That's not the concept, right? It's like
Yeah.
whatever you do, if you're using is key, then there has to be an else part. Or there should be an else part rather.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Actually, there was a question in last semester I created. I told that there should be an else part always with else if, and many students actually selected that correct. But that was not the correct option because the code was not wrong. We need the final result and that is coming properly. So that is why I'm focusing on that. Okay, so problem number 2, okay, where I was I here now? Problem number 2 is done. Problem number 3 is done. Okay, problem number 3 we need to solve. Okay. It's totally related to the problem 2, so it should not take more than 2 minutes.
Done, sir.
Okay, so who is not getting this question? Is everyone able to get this question?
Yes,
If,
sir.
if everyone is getting, then
sir.
why am I getting the option A? So I want to point out, I use the same concept. Now do something is filled, giving me a list of unique letters. And I'm adding to the a bigger list which is C inside that. So my list will contain a small list which will be the unique letter of every word, correct? That is why option B is correct. List of unique alphabets of every word in the words data set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So simple thing is that list of unique alphabets I'm getting in W, and I'm using one more list which is actually giving me the list of a list of alphabets. Okay. Okay, now this question is little bit I would like to discuss with you guys. There might be an error or not error. I have not even correct answer for this question. Let's discuss which is the correct answer. You will tell me the what is the correct answer actually. And if you actually see this, I don't have any correct answer for this question. So you guys are going to tell me which is the correct answer. Be careful, there might be an error also. Please point it out.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so how many of you saying that A will be the correct answer?
Yes, sir. A will be the correct answer.
Your name, please.
Am I audible?
You are audible, Rajnish, right? Rajnish.
Yes.
Okay, anyone here who is saying that option A is not correct?
Yes, sir.
I am, sir.
I also.
Okay, okay,
I
man.
also, sir.
So you are supposed to explain, Rajnish, why option A is not correct.
Okay, sir.
Rajni, I'm saying that option A is correct, but it will not correct in all conditions. It will work for only some conditions.
Okay, what are the conditions, Mayank?
If the person have gold medal and silver or bronze, then it will give the answer correct. But if the person don't have gold, then it will give answer wrong.
So we don't
The
want
question
that.
says
Sir,
at least one gold. So we don't want
yes, sir.
somebody who does not have gold.
Yes,
Correct.
Sir, I think
exactly.
when
Second
a
and the third
person-
At
condition
least
should
one
be
is
inside
one
of
or
the
more.
first condition.
One by one, please, Mayank. What you are saying?
Second if block and third if block should be inside the first if block.
No, that will be totally wrong.
Sir, because gold is compulsory in the question.
So the gold is compulsory, but both the medal will not be one card or one row, na? So once it is done, then how will you access the other?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the
Because
question can
So
be,
can I answer? Can I answer for this?
Yeah, Vishwajit.
Sir, according to me, none of this answer is correct.
Yeah,
So,
that is what I wanted to listen actually.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, Vishwajit. I want to find.
Yes,
We'll talk
same.
later.
Same.
Okay,
Sir,
Jitan sir.
I can
Because
I can
sir,
say
if a
when
person
the
has
option
three medals, in that case it will be incremented to 2. So in that or case,
So
the
if a
third-
person has 3 medals, then we don't want. I don't care what is happening.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
that
if
is
the
also
person
correct.
has got exactly one gold medal and exactly one silver or bronze medal,
So
then
there
option
should be
A is
else
correct.
condition. So after if second if there should be an else condition.
1 minute, 1 minute. Will come later. I would like to discuss the much more about that. Rajnish, what are you saying?
Sir, actually, sec dict in equal to 1, then only the statement is true, and this is true when n like n has gold medal and either silver or bronze medal. So if
First,
he
1
has
minute, 1
both
minute.
the medal.
I think you guys have a little bit confused what question is being asked. So tell me, this should be 1 or not? Where is Radha Krishnan? Okay, this should be Radha Krishnan should be mapped to 1 or not? Tell me first.
Yes, sir. It should be marked 1.
This should be mapped, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if I take the same example and write like this, it should be mapped to 1 or not?
No,
1.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I don't care
N is
about,
equal to
right? What is happening, I don't care about, because question is not about that, correct? So it should not be mapped to 1. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so same question is here, and the bronze medal coming before. It should be mapped to 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1.
Yes, sir.
So Rajnish,
Yes, sir. So the order the medals are coming matters, and
there is an error. There is an error in the code actually, you know?
Yes, sir. If the person has won only 1 silver medal or bronze medal, then also it will be 1 only, sir.
That is
The
also
order,
that is we
the
want.
order. If
That
let's say
you have
bronze
to
is
put
1
one else
first, then the key is only not generated.
So if a person won bronze and gold, na, correct?
Correct.
So if you reach here, then first if block will not be executed, and second if block will be executed. Sorry, the third if block will be executed, and it will throw an error because X
There's
dot
no
sequence
key.
is not in the key. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, understood that.
yes.
So gold should be the first medal, then it will answer correctly. And that is not given in the options.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Because
yes.
Also, sir, it would be
Sir, can you come again?
Yeah. Okay. So suppose a person has one medal. So his first medal is bronze and then gold, right?
Yes.
So if you come to that part, if X dot medal is gold, then it will not execute, correct? No, it is
Yes,
bronze. You will come here, it will not be executed. You will come here, it will go inside the block, but it will say that there is no key assigned to that, and how will I increment it?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
So there is an error. Even option B, many people have understood this part, but they thought that gold will come and after that bronze will come, then it will add 1. But again, it is an error before that. Last medal is not gold is also fine when I am given some explanation here. When I have used this something, another method, then this will be correct. But option B is also not correct here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The thing which I wanted to point out is initialization is must when you are going to append, you are going to do addition, replacing. There is no problem in you can initialize with anyone. You can directly say seek date dict X dot sequence number. You can update it. So initialization is very, very important in that. cases. Initialization is everywhere important, but how you are initializing, that's matter. Okay. So for dictionary, actually a mapping to the key doesn't require any initialization. If you are storing a string, okay, it will directly be initialized. But addition, you need something which will be added. You cannot do without initialization. So it's required one more step of initialization. That's why else part come into the picture. In this case, if a player has one gold medal at the start, then it will give correct result. Otherwise, not give correct result. Okay.
So not only that, but if one has like one gold and two bronze, then the value will become 2, which is not correct.
No, that should be one only.
Yeah, it should be 1, but if he has 2 bronze, then it will become the value stored will become 2.
Oh, correct. I understood your part. So there is requirement of checking if it is a key or not. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. So this pseudocode has many errors.
Yes.
So if a
Sir,
person,
I had one
then
question. May I ask?
yeah.
So, sir, as per your saying, so if the first medal isn't a gold medal, then this code won't run, right?
This code will throw an error and there will be a problem.
Okay. I was thinking that if we put the later two if condition into the first if condition, like if the first medal is gold medal, then execute second if and third if, so it would work
How
that
will
way,
you
right?
decide that is the first medal?
Exactly, I was also thinking like that.
I told earlier
I
this is not. I'm not using the dictionary for filtration. It is every card, every row, na? And one row will have one medal.
So we can probably use if the medal is gold or silver or bronze, then open a key. And
Okay,
then
then
say if medal is gold, then increment it. And then say if it is silver or bronze, then increment it.
Nagalakshmi, first thing you told that if the medal is gold or bronze or silver, right?
Yeah.
You are using OR condition, correct?
Yeah.
So that is not a filtration. There will not be anything filter because the medal either will be gold, either will be bronze, either will be the.
No, sir. If it's gold or bronze or silver,
Gold
then I'll say
and or silver or bronze.
Yeah, gold is must, right?
no. I'd say if he has won any of the 3 medals, then open a key in his name in the sequence number.
Okay.
And then
But
if
the question is Naga
no,
Lakshmi, I'm
no, sir,
pointing out here.
it's not yet done. That will be the first thing to create the key. After that, if he has
Give me
one
what should I
gold,
write? Give me one. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the code and let's modify accordingly what you are saying. Correct? Is that fine?
yeah, okay.
Where should I write?
Sir, at the beginning, before any of them, before line 4.
Okay, before line 4 means here. Correct?
Yeah.
Tell me what should I write?
If the medal, x dot medal is equal to gold, or x dot medal is equal to silver, or x dot medal is equal to bronze.
Okay. What should I do?
So then this line 5, okay, line 5 will be then you initiate a key in the sequence number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What should I do? Should I do?
This should be empty.
This should be
Empty.
so that is 0, right? Unless
But sir, but
Sir, those should be
no,
double
sir.
equal to, right?
No, it should not be double equal to because it's not a comparison. You're initializing it.
tell me, I'm waiting.
Sir, it should be an empty thing, sir. Because if it's 1, then you're saying it is gold and silver or bronze. So if I initiate this already to 0, the next thing I initiate will be 1. So I'll not know if the previous one was gold or silver.
More than that, I want to say you are not filtering anything. The metal will either be gold, either will be silver, either will be bronze. So this filtration is not just for adding 3 lines.
Got it now, sir. Because everybody in the list has one, in the data set has one of the medals.
Correct.
Okay, got it.
Sir, why are we
Yes.
assigning X medal equal to gold or X medal is equal to silver? Like, why are we assigning instead of comparing? It's a single
Okay.
equal to. Yes.
अरे ठीक है यार समझ जाओ. That is
Sir, I
clear.
was just confused a tad bit.
I am typing whatever is saying, whatever is she saying. I'm not a typist. Okay. Okay. Now
Then
it
can
is
you
clear.
Moves ahead, sir.
Sir, I did not get why my code won't work. I
Which
suggested
code?
that matlab, my idea, like I suggested to put these two letter if into the first initial gold if.
Okay, no. Okay, I'll do whatever you say here. Let's see what is happening. Okay.
Because one row
This is
has
what you
only one
wanted, na?
medal.
It is iterating only once. So how could it filter like?
This is what you
Okay,
wanted to
one
say.
okay, one
It
row
is
has
one.
only okay, yes. Okay, I
It
got
is
it. Okay.
taking only one row, no?
Okay, got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Back to the
Then
left.
can you just represent the correct code fragment for this?
I don't have any correct code. I was actually thinking and I created this question. That's all. Nothing else. I even did not try. I did not try to find the correct answer actually.
Such a complex code, sir.
Okay, so what is the best way to this? No, not best way. One way is that you create a list and then find the unique list and length of that. That is one method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second method is a binning.
But how to apply binning in that question, sir? Can you explain?
Sir, I also have a doubt. How
Binning,
to
do the binning on the base of the gold medal and then silver medal and then bronze medal. Okay.
So we can divide it in 3 binning like gold, silver, and bronze.
So once you do the gold, you go one by one. Okay, because gold is necessary, correct?
Yes.
So you initialize it to with every medal as 0, correct?
Right.
And then go by the silver. If it is already in the keys, then add. Otherwise, don't do anything. Correct?
Okay. Yes. So it will iterate go and then go to bronze like that.
That is week 4 method.
Sir,
What
but
will
if it is going to come in the exam, it will take a lot of time to do that.
No, not will take a lot of time, man. Okay, so it will give you a good mark also, and you will get some question like that. No problem. You are not going to pass so easily. That's what I also said.
No, we will tackle that.
Okay. So one next concept is that you can use nested dictionary, and that will come in week 8. So I don't want to interfere here. I guess nested dictionary is not week 7, is it?
Yes,
There
sir,
is some
it is in
glance.
week 8.
There is some glance of week 7 in last lecture, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is understandable. Like it is good.
Yeah. So you can use the Okay, so what will you do? You go by one medal. So first row is that, and then it will be whatever the medal you have now. If is key, set dict, comma,
X
is
dot
not name, then you initialize a empty dictionary, which will be set dict x dot name, okay, and is equal to empty dictionary. Sorry, not it is not.
Sir,
here. It will be in the else part. Okay, sorry. Or I'll not do more effort. I'll do not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then come to else part, and else part. What will you do? Is that you are actually going to map it. So say dict.
So it is creating name as a dictionary also. So
yeah. So this is next to dictionary.
yes. So inside that name, some key is going to be stored.
So the key will be the medal name.
Yes.
X dot
medal.
Medal. Okay. And store it through. Okay. Understood? Now
right.
you what will it do? You need to go one by one keys now. Okay. So my dictionary is created. Okay.
Right.
So for each key in, what will I do? Keys of dictionary. I think this concept is taught in
yes, yes, it is clear, sir.
Set dict. Okay. And
yeah.
then if
for each
if is key comma gold. Okay.
Okay.
Then check if length of, it's little bit lengthy, right?
Yes, sir.
Keys of key. I have used a very bad iterator actually. It is making confused. Then you can map that guy to true. So secret x dot name is actually will be 1, and it will replace everything with 1. Otherwise, there will be none. Okay. So this
Sir,
is what
in
you
line
can do.
15, it should be greater than 1, right, sir? Length of line 15, if condition should be greater than 1.
1 minute, I missed it. Length of should be greater than should
1,
be
sir, at least 1.
No, only 2.
Why, sir? At least 1 gold.
Why is keys na? So all bronze will be 1 bronze.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Got my point? You don't, it will not give the bronze. It will give only bronze, right? So
Yes, sir,
because it will filter, right?
This is how it will work, but I didn't want it to interfere. This was a introduction to the next lecture concept. Okay.
So can you please explain line 5 of the code that you just wrote from 5 onwards, the small talk.
So what I am doing, I am actually creating an empty dictionary for a name. Okay. So suppose Radha Krishnan has is the name, then I'll create one empty dictionary. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'll go to the else part. If once empty dictionary is created,
yes, then it become false and it will go
even
to
you
yes
don't
first.
need that. Even empty dictionary is not required. Okay. You can
that's
directly
what,
write.
sir.
No. Oh, sorry. There is a problem. Okay. There is an issue. You don't even need
Else and
else part.
line
That-
5.
Line 5 is fine
Okay.
because this is inside one dictionary. Dictionary should be initialized, correct? So once it is initialized for the same, you can update.
Sir, but that line 7 should be under the if block only, no? Acha, no. If it's under the if block, it's gone. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, could you please explain how it will store data in line 7? You are creating a dictionary name, sequence dictionary name, and you are putting medal in it as true value.
Do not think about the spellings now. Okay, gold. Sorry. Suppose I'm getting this card. Okay, this is the card I'm taking. Control C. Control. Okay.
Sir, and has more precedence than or, right, sir?
What do you want to say about president here?
Precedence, priority, because
No.
and or is there in the
There is no
condition.
priority between that. Those are different things. Their work is different. Okay.
Everyone is equal.
Okay. Now, if you are here, okay, if not is key. So the first name is Rahul, okay? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So at line 10, if it is not a key, you will store a empty dictionary. So
You will create a key.
So secdit actually gets updated here and it will become Rahul is a key, right? Now it is just initialized with the dictionary. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you come here and this will be executed. What is the middle type?
Bronze.
Bronze. So it will again get updated from here to here and it will become
Bronze equal to true.
bronze equal to true. Don't think about a string. I'm not writing. Some of you will get confused also. Right. Okay. So bronze is actually true. Okay. And then move to the next card and that is Ajay. Okay. Again, this will
That
be
should not be equal
executed.
to symbol there in line number 13, bronze.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now for Ajay, it will again create one more dictionary at line 11. Okay. And my dictionary will get updated again, which will be this. One more dictionary. Ajay, and that will be mapped to an empty dictionary. Okay. For the next line, it is actually gold. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will be again updated and I'll add gold equal to true. Okay.
Yes.
Next line is Ajay
Yes.
again. This block will not be executed now. Directly this line will be executed, which will tell me that bronze equal to true. Okay.
Okay, we will add a bronze 2 there. Okay.
It's inside the dictionary to dictionary. Na? It's inside dictionary. This is called the nested dictionary. So inside dictionary, there is a dictionary. Then we are using as key. Okay.
Okay. So, sir, when you took that line where it is, okay, you changed it. There was some like keys and key length of keys you wrote there something.
It is here. I just changed the name. There's no problem. Okay. Now suppose my dictionary is created. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Finally, my dictionary is created and I got this. One more key will come, that is Sania, and gold will be mapped to true. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me create that also. Sania true. Oh, dictionary, then
Gold is equals to true.
Gold is mapped to. Mhm. Gold is mapped to true. Okay. Now for each player in keys SecDict. Okay. So first player is
Rahul.
Rahul. Okay. Okay. Now I'll check if is key player is what dictionary, correct? And this is the dictionary. Okay. Okay. What? Tell me first thing. What will this be? Keys of dictionary. What will it give?
It will output the list of the
Rahul, Ajay,
Name of
and
Rahul,
players.
Ajay, and Sania.
Yes, yes.
There is a problem. Can anyone tell me?
yes, sir.
this-
Sir, it should be ESKey, ACQ, DICT, then player gold.
No. That is not I'm asking. In line number 18, there is a problem. I'm writing it, but tell me what is the problem?
Sir, bronze is also inside a dictionary. So how will it?
That is absolutely wrong.
Rahul R is in capital.
This will only give the list of the keys of the SecDict. So bronze is not the key of SecDict. It is the key of Rahul dictionary.
Right.
Okay. Give me what is the error? Can anyone tell me?
Sir,
Rahul R is
repetitions will not be noted, is it, sir?
It will not note repetition because it's dictionary.
Sir, where is the error actually you're asking to find? I mean, in which line?
Actually, it's in line 18. The error is in line 18.
Okay.
I think we want bronze, gold, and gold.
No, man, that is not one. The problem is that the sequence of the keys in the dictionary is not fixed.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And list is an ordered collection. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be Rahul, Ajay, Sania, or Sania, Ajay, Rahul, but this will have 3 elements, correct? But I don't know the order. Okay. So I am ignoring the order now. Okay. For Rahul, player now player value will be Rahul in keys SecDict. So this is the keys of SecDict, and that is the list. Then if in player there is a gold medal, okay. Inside this is there any gold medal?
No, sir.
It will not go inside the block, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for Ajay, there is a gold medal, correct?
Correct, sir.
Because gold is a key of Ajay, correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll go inside the if length of keys of player. What will the length of keys of player? Player name is Ajay, right? What will be the keys of player? That is with gold, comma bronze, right? And then order doesn't matter.
Yes.
So order we will not take. And what will be the length of that? 2. So we needed 2 medals, huh?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 2. And if it is not different, if suppose Ajay has 1 silver also, then it will give
3.
3.
silver equal to 2. And suppose one more thing that Ajay has one more than Ajay has 2 bronze medals. Then also the dictionary will be same. It will not change. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
It
it is
will
giving
overwrite.
me the guarantee of that if the length of keys of 2, then there are 2 unique medals. And if there is 2 unique medals, I am checking if there is 1 gold. Then other will be either gold or other will be either bronze or silver. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is why I'm now SecDict I'm mapping to this. So actually this will change this to 1. So don't think about this line. This is something you will might get confused, but you can create one more dictionary and work with that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But
I have
So, but here, the true value does not indicate anything, right? I mean, as to like you can have two gold.
I need to map something. That's why I have taken true. That's nothing else.
So if there is two Ajay, that in dictionary keys will come two Ajay, or it will be only one Ajay.
Okay. That's
Sir,
another
what
thing.
if someone has two gold?
So here I have asked the question with the sequence number. That is why. And sequence numbers are?
Gold
Unique.
mask.
Unique, sir.
Okay.
Which I have the general question. If there are two names are there, so will
Then it
both come
will-
for the key or not, sir?
This will store only one key.
Because it's filtering.
This will store only one key. There will be so the
Other will
basically
get
it will be an
eliminated,
error.
Sir, it will store the last key. I mean the last name
Yeah.
where.
Yeah, it will store the last one.
Sir, I have a doubt. If suppose the player has won 2 gold medals, still this is true, no?
2 gold medals, then true.
That is, both the steps would be true, and finally I will get an error in the score, no?
Why will you get error?
Length will be 2.
No, it will not be 2. It will be 1 only.
See line number 10.
Suppose if I say Rahul is winning one more bronze, na? Okay, this will not make any effect in that because it will be updated with the bronze again.
Okay, sir, got it, sir.
Okay, because keys is same, so there can't be two same
Yes, sir.
key in one dictionary.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, so this was a little bit towards nested dictionary. I hope some of you get why we required here.
Sir, one thing, sir.
Yes.
In the question, gold and 1 silver is there, no, sir. That will be 1 unit because and logical and has more precedence than logical or.
Okay, so what you wanted to say with this precedent, I am again not able to get, but this is what I want. Gold and bracketed silver or bronze.
It will be gold and silver in one bracket or bronze, sir.
This is what will be there. I have written line number 29. See.
Okay, sir.
I want 1 medal gold, 2nd medal, whatever it is, but it should be 1 only, not both. That's what I want. Okay.
So are you going to share this PR deck in our deck?
Yes, it will be. Okay, so I get the point that we are okay. So so this last word will not work. Okay, must have at least 1 gold medal. So the sorry, initialize the step. Okay, so therefore must have gold medal as the first medal. Okay. Okay. So basically the none of these the correct answer. Now let's go to the next question. Do I have next question? Okay. I have one more question. And we are 10-15. Okay, this is the same concept, unique one. You can solve it. I'll share with you guys. If you want to get time to solve it, we have 5 minutes. Okay. You want to solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Done, sir.
Okay, so anyone wants more time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, actually,
Sure answer.
sir, I have found one answer for this question, but this is not present in the option.
What is the answer?
A.
I
Only
No.
A.
You have found the answer which is not into the options, no? What was that answer?
Sir, yes, sir, exactly. That answer is A.
That
Only
answer
A.
is A.
Yes, sir, only the option A, but in options it is not present there. A
So
combined
even I
with B.
felt the same.
Okay, so in choose an option. Okay, so give me one second, please.
Yes, sir. So there is only one option related to A, which is A and B.
Okay, give me the code, please.
Code.
1 minute. OZT, so OZT. Keep smiling. Okay, so you are saying that option A is correct, but it is not given to the
Options.
options. Okay, dictionary with alphabets as key is mapped to the number of words in which the alphabet is present. Dictionary with alphabets as key is mapped to the number of sentences. Dictionary with alphabet as key is mapped to the maximum. Option A is correct, man.
Option A is correct, is it?
Option
A
no,
and B
sir.
both is correct, sir, right?
Sir, A and B are
No,
both
A
different.
has to be correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only A is correct.
Every-
Only
Only
A is correct. That's why what
He is talking about sentence, not word.
yeah. A is
Only A
correct.
is correct, actually. Only A is correct.
Sir, what is happening
Okay.
today? Lots of errors.
No, it's not an error, man. I just uh,
Playing with our minds.
this is whenever we do the P attack, na,
Right, sir?
I could have given choose and write an answer thing. So, yeah, option A is correct. There was no error. Before that, there was an error anywhere.
No, sir.
No,
Just
sir.
kidding. Don't mind,
What
sir.
are you saying? You are making me.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so option A is correct. Is that okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Right,
sir.
sir.
So the else concept, which was being pointed out till now, is that whenever you need an initialization and update, add something into it or append something it, it's very important, and you need to use the else concept. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain what is mean by unique?
Unique were
Like A list explode. We exploded that word. Then we
okay.
are
So
choosing
explode.
unique.
What explode does?
We make words, like if it is thinking,
List.
then we make th list of this.
List of alphabets. Correct? Of that
Yes.
word.
Yes.
Now we are passing that to unique. What unique is doing? It is giving the unique element of L.
Only one, like it not repeated one.
Not repeated one. No.
So
Every word.
it is already unique. It is giving unit list, then it is going to the dictionary, no?
So the thing is that if I get the
That
root
is only
word,
for
okay,
one word, na?
ROOT, okay. So I'll give ROT,
OT,
not
right.
ROT. So
Right,
that is
right.
unique. Non-repeated means only R and T, because O was repeated.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Sir, could
Sir,
you
one
explain
small
what does
thing.
option A means? I am not getting the part, the number of word in which alphabet is present.
Okay, so what is happening? I'll get word and I will explode it. Okay. Suppose I take 2 words, and 2 words are Rahul and Ajay. Okay. Why Ajay is coming so frequently? I don't know. Okay. So I get Rahul and Ajay. What will do it? So Rahul will be explored to RAHUL, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then I'll create one. I'll have to take this to explain. Yeah, this is the question like this. Okay. Why is it coming with okay.
Hello, sir.
I this now. Our A list will be R. I'm not using inverted comma. Okay, just
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
RAHUL.
okay. Okay. Now A list will be unique list. So it is again because all the letters are different, so no problem.
Again RAHUL.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now for each alpha in A list. Okay, so that part will be okay. Whenever I'm going, I'm choosing one letter, correct? Okay, I'm choosing a letter and mapping it to 1 if it is not present already, correct?
Yes, sir.
So my dictionary will be updated to what is my dictionary? W count will be updated here and it will
R equal
say
to
me
1.
R equal to 1. Okay. Comma. Not comma. I'll go to the next letter and A.
Again A equal to 1. H equal
R
to
will
1.
be A equal to is like colon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't get confused, man. Otherwise, you will complain. U equal to 1 and L equal to 1. Okay. Come to the next part. And next word is Ajay. Okay. Again, explode.
AJAY.
AJAY. And this will give me the unique letters. What will be that?
AJY.
AJY. Okay. Now for A, it is already the updated, correct?
Yes,
it will be updated to
So
2.
we will increment it to 2.
Because it was in the second word, because A will not come again in this word. I am talking about unique. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
J will be mapped to 1 and Y will be mapped to 1. If I take one more word, which is Ruhani. What?
Sir, my point was that so W count is showing the maximum frequency of each alphabet, right?
Nine. Maximum frequency will be here. A should be mapped to 3.
No, sir, it is showing the maximum frequency of the alphabets only. And I had the same doubt.
It is shown.
Where is the word count taken? I mean, I don't understand where the word count.
It is not showing maximum frequency.
Okay, we are taking unique.
Because it's taking the
A was presented in 2 words, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is why it is 2. Now, if I take the third word Ruhani, R will be updated to 2. U will be updated to 2. H will be updated to 2. Last time I didn't take H. H will be updated to 2. A will be updated to 3. Because it's third word in which A is present, correct?
yes, sir.
N will be mapped to 1 again because this is the first time it appearing. And again, I will map to 1, correct?
Correct, sir.
That is why it is the number of words in which the letter is present. If you talk about the frequency or most frequency, R should be 2, A should be 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it, sir.
Correct?
Sir, the same question was asked in graded assignment 7. Same pattern, but
I don't know if you know or not. If you attend the solve with us, then there is a blessing.
the same question, just same question.
Let them go through, and I am guaranteeing you that answer is not same.
Okay.
Yes. And
So
definitely,
actually, I solved all the questions, so I will
cool.
recheck again.
Concept same, answer and the pattern both same. I'm sorry, pattern is same, but the answer and the question is different. Okay.
Yeah, the pattern is little bit different.
You'll find what is the difference. Even the last question which we solved, na, sequence number n, that was also okay. Okay, so I hope it was very clear.
Sir, one more question remained, I think, for today's
no
session.
question.
Okay.
There is no question. Okay, that is written actually. I didn't thought that you will this will go so long. If I had not explained last question so much, then actually we would have saved some time. This is what I had actually.
Oh, okay.
But okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. Guys, please give the feedback and all. Okay, we are not sharing any sheet right now. So whenever you get time, if you feel something wrong, please let us know. If you feel something is not correct, please let us know. We take everything so seriously.
Okay, sir. Sir, will you take the next on-demand session tomorrow?
It might be Deepak.
Okay, sir. Then it is okay. I thought it will be taken in Hindi.
No. Hindi session this time I don't think it will happen because the TAs are actually going to give you. They also have quiz too.
Yes, sir. Okay. Then it is okay.
So regional language is another thing which we have started, but unfortunately we have got only 2 students and both knows Hindi except English. So we need TAs for other languages. We have TAs for discussion forum and discourse. They are handling. You might be seeing some posts from the TA. So
Yes, sir.
They are just the students.
There is a student Soumya who is responding.
Yeah, Jamil also is there. Jamil is there, and 6 students actually we have. 6.
Sir, how did you select them? I mean, how did you find them?
We did not find them. We sent a form to them, and they reply that they will be interested to do this.
Isn't there any eligibility kind of thing?
CGPA, I think.
It was CGPA, but we are going to be a little bit liberal with this CGPA. This time, only 10 CGPA people were sent. Okay, so next time we will think of something else.
We didn't get the email ID for this course.
You will not get actually. You will have to complete 1 semester. Once you go into the second semester, you will get that. So your portal is actually different. You are actually using the second portal.
But in orientation program, they told us that if we qualify the exam, then we will get.
Yeah. Once you qualify, you complete this semester. Next semester, you will have different email ID.
And sir, the term has been changed to the semester. I heard that.
They are planning.
Okay.
I mean, if semester based, then you guys will have some relaxation.
So it will be a 6-month exam, right?
You will enjoy a little bit. That's all.
And sir, what about this extending of 1 year more, like BS degree?
That is a 4-year program people are making. So early this time, there was no foundation on when you are going to complete. Okay.
Okay.
So people were confused
Sir,
that should we take it as a 3-year degree program, because to take the admission in foreign, people ask for the
Yes, sir.
4-year program. So that is why it is being applied.
Sir, my query is if it is extended by, extended by 1 year more, then will the completion period of this degree be extended for 2 years more? Like right now it is 3 to 6 years.
No. That is different, and those are the fixed program. If you opt that, then you
Okay.
are going to complete in that duration. That is, then you will get the BS degree program. I mean,
So I
certificate
didn't
or
get.
mark.
Can you repeat? If I completed within.
Okay, so I will not, I don't have clear idea because it was proposed. Okay,
Okay.
and they are going to open it. So what is happening? This time you can complete within 2 years to 6 years. Correct?
Within 3 years to 6
Oh, sorry,
years. Yes.
3 to 6 years. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can complete in 3.5. You can complete in 4. You can complete
Yes,
in
sir.
5. But
Yes,
once
sir.
you go to foreign, people ask what you have done.
Okay.
So you say that I have done BSc degree. Correct?
Yes, sir. Then.
So in some colleges, they ask for the 3-year or 4-year program degree.
Okay.
It is mandatory that they will choose 4-year people.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that purpose, you need to opt that. So I don't know what will be happening in the next. It is just presented.
Yes, sir.
Once
Exactly,
it is
sir.
applied, it
Sir,
will go to everyone.
right now I am planning to complete this degree in 5 to 6 years. So can I be eligible if this is opened like BS degree?
I am not sure actually. I am not an operational guy.
No, sir. I think there must be some eligibility for to get into the 4-year degree. But is there any criteria for this completion limit?
Can't answer right now.
Okay.
Actually, sir, there is a lot of speculation about this in the group and all this.
Yeah, so better thing is that wait till the announcements comes to your email. No?
Yes, we have.
Once email comes, then start chatting.
Yes, I also don't.
Yeah.
Also, sir, we don't have time for that much.
Yes, sir.
Four subjects is very like time consuming.
Also, I'm regretting to take 3 subjects.
No.
Yeah, 3 subjects is also more than enough.
Yes, you're right.
I have opted 4 subjects and literally only study, sleep, eat, and repeat. That's it.
And
Let
also I'm doing
me
the same.
Okay, sir.
My whole family is waiting for dinner. Okay.
Are you staying at home right now?
Right now, I am at home.
Oh, so usually where you stay in college, IIT Madras?
Usually we were in the campus. We were staying outside of campus, but working inside the campus.
Okay.
Sir
So
is
have you
doing, sir,
completed your
PS
intake there?
Yes.
I completed in 2020.
And sir,
Oh.
doing PhD, right, sir?
Excuse me?
Deepak sir is doing PhD, I think.
Deepak sir is going to complete his PhD actually.
Oh. Sir, I have seen you in mathematics, maths one.
Yeah, I joined as a mathematics instructor, but I was interested in this programming and other stuff. And I know actually I have a non-computational background, okay? So I don't know much about the programs, but I know about the logics. So logic, computational thinking is totally based on the logics only, nothing else. So I'm here.
So
I
you are
know
from
little
which
bit.
background?
I am a chemical engineer.
Oh, yeah. Sir, actually, I saw you in LinkedIn yesterday.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
thanks. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask you something about this recently happening quiz too. So my friend took only 2 subjects. So he would be having only 2
1
subjects for
minute.
quiz.
Quiz 2 has
Like,
not happened.
yeah, upcoming quiz.
Okay, upcoming. Recently
Yes.
happening. Okay, okay.
December like upcoming. So my friend took only 2 subjects for this term, so he would be appearing for only 2 subjects, right? In quiz 2. And what about end term? Because end term is like up to, according to calendar, end term is on 7th August, right?
So end term is actually they are going to divide into 2 subjects. Okay. So I hope that is, your friend come into that group. So there will be 2 group of the subjects. Okay. It mostly it happens CT and statistics, math and English. So if what subject he has?
He has computation thinking and English.
Okay, I am not sure. He will have to give 2 exams then.
So
Maybe.
like the person who have to take 4 subjects, they are also divided into 2 groups, right? For end
Everyone
term.
is divided in 2 groups, but suppose that 2 groups, if I have math and English, okay, and the first paper is math and English, then I'll be going in that session only.
Okay. And if the group is otherwise like differently.
Yeah. So even you have 1 paper, you are going to sit for 1 hour.
Okay. It's like that.
Okay. So if you have 3 paper, then this quiz 2, if you have 2 paper, you can solve 2 papers after 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Students are allowed to leave. Okay. So they can leave. If you have 1 paper, then it is unfortunate that you will have to sit for 1.5 hour or 2 hours.
Okay. Do we have contents in week 12?
In week 12, we don't have anything. It is summary lectures.
Okay, and week 11?
We have a graded assignment.
Okay, sir.
Sir, are you going to instruct us in the Python also?
No, Python I don't. I'm not there. Python you will get see Karthik or something, someone else.
And Sudarshan sir, I have heard a lot about him, sir. Like Sudarshan sir.
I have also heard.
Me too, sir. Me too.
My seniors are, followers, fan of him. I've talked some of them.
He has a great fan following, I know.
And I have also heard that he takes session, whole night or something like that.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Narayan.
Yes, sir. I can speak in Hindi.
हाँ बात कर सकते हैं आप बोलिए यहाँ पे ठीक है.
यस सर मेरा मतलब ये सीटी और इंग्लिश और स्टैटिस्टिक्स ये मतलब हो जाता है सही लेकिन मैथ्स में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होती है. नहीं आप कोई सजेस्ट करो तो मैं बेसिकली मैं बायो बैकग्राउंड से हूँ. ये क्वालिफायर में मैंने जैसे तैसे पास कर ली.
मैं समझ सकता हूँ आपका प्रॉब्लम. कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट पे ध्यान दीजिए. 40% ही चाहिए ना.
हाँ.
पर दिक्कत यही है कि आपको मैथ्स 2 में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी. सो बेटर आप थोड़ा और ध्यान दीजिए मैथमेटिक्स की तरफ. सो ऐसे एज एग्जांपल मैं बीटेक में गया तो मेरे को सी लैंग्वेज मिला. मैं ऐसा इंसान जो मैंने कभी माउस पकड़ा भी नहीं था तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे कि कोई मुझसे बस ये कह दे कि सी की जगह कुछ और दे दे. बट इट वाज अ कंपलसरी कोर्स. तो मैं क्या किया कि मैं एकदम पूरा परेशान हो गया. तो मैं 2 महीने तक लगातार सी पढ़ा. बाकी सब सब्जेक्ट्स को इग्नोर किया लिटिल बिट. एंड फाइनली ऐसा हुआ कि सी में मार्क्स आए सबसे ज्यादा और अदर सब्जेक्ट में कम आ गए. तो थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट की जरूरत है. आप मेरी तरह मत करिएगा नहीं क्योंकि आपको पास करने के लिए सारे सब्जेक्ट चाहिए.
यस सर.
तो एक्चुअली मेरा अदर थिंग्स वाज ओके. फिजिक्स एंड ऑल ओके था. सिर्फ सी में प्रॉब्लम था.
यस.
तो ऐसे ही मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि जैसे आपको मैथमेटिक्स पे आराम सोच रहे होंगे ना आप वैसे ही मेरे लिए कंप्यूटेशन एंड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एंड दिस थिंग्स.
यस सर.
तो हो जाता है. थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा.
थोड़ा नहीं सर बहुत डालना पड़ता है. आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम बायो बैकग्राउंड और मुझे सारे टॉपिक्स एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से पढ़ने पड़ते हैं, देन आई प्रोसीड टू आईआईटी लेक्चर्स, वरना सब ऊपर से जाता है। जब बाहर से टॉपिक्स पढ़ के आ जाओ तब उसके बाद फिर यहाँ के लेक्चर सब अच्छे से समझ में
तो
आते हैं।
एक काम कर सकते हो आप लोग ना, एक ग्रुप बना लो, आप लोग नॉन मैथमेटिकल बैकग्राउंड से, एंड एक रिक्वेस्ट करो कि उनके आपके लिए अलग से कुछ करें।
I am also from biological background.
And math instructors are very humble, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is very humble.
Everyone is humble. Everyone is supporting. But वही है, हार्ड वर्क हम ही को करना है, एंड जितने सोर्स से पढ़ सकते हो पढ़ो, वही समझ में आएगा।
अभी मैं कुछ उसके बारे में बोल नहीं सकता, बस यही बोलूंगा कि हाँ, जो टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आती है उस पर थोड़ा सा और फोकस करो, ठीक है? जरूरी नहीं है सब कुछ आना।
ओके
ओके, तो ऐसा नहीं आपको 40% ही लेके आने, ओवरऑल 50% लाने, वो 50% आप किसी और सब्जेक्ट से पूरा कर लीजिए।
राइट सर,
ठीक है?
राइट सर, करेक्ट सर।
यस,
गुड नाइट सर।
ठीक है सर,
गुड नाइट एवरीवन, बाय बाय।
बाय
गुड
बाय
नाइट
सर।
गुड नाइट।
Good night.
Bye.